Hello everyone, this is Meng. Today video I would like to show you how you can enable format painter and you can pan any place, not only one time, multiple time, just copy one time. Okay, let's start. Okay, right here I have this color and the font, bullet, italic, and format and border. So if you do like this, just one time and finish, right? You cannot pan it again. So for example, right here, just double click two times or twice on format painter and you can format right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. So multiple times, right? Multiple times. As many times you want. Okay. First of all. And then when you finish, just escape, press escape key and it back to normal. Or I want to change to normal like this, for example, and then just double click again and double click on my painter and just like here. You can see like that. Or if you want to know how to tie this one and a number like this, you can check link in the description. I show you how to do it on laptop and desktop. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video.